today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over tonight. And yesterday we did some live reading inside the module, and I'll let you know that we're going to be coming out all these lines of code here. You can see here after our started favorite number, we're going to comment that out too actually. So let's get that comment out. We shouldn't have anything pertaining to the starting favorite number. What we want to do is we just want to load our contract using the boa.load. This is the contract we're loading, the favorites.by contract. And we're going to come out everything that has to do with the favorite number because we're no longer storing the favorite number. The next phase of this task is going to be storing a person. You can see here we have print storing a person. Then we have favorites contract dot add person. We're going to see Tiffany 31. Then we're going to see person data equals favorites contract dot list of people. We're going to do index 0. Then we're going to print that out with a print statement and an F statement. We're going to pass in the variable of favorite person or person data. I know this doesn't make any sense to you right now, so tomorrow we're going to dive back into our module so we can read over everything that I just explained to you and let you know what we're going to be doing moving forward. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.